What's good? This no face. As you know, I don't have no face. And this right here is a Jamaican flag. Shout out to the Jamaicans this year. We doing good in the Olympics. We killing y'all. Killing y'all. Anyway, we here live in the Rude Nation headquarters. Got my nigga Nubbly in this thing. Fucking with the dog right now. Nubbly in this thing, y'all. Nubbly. Nubbly. What's good, you nigga dude? This the dog. It's Bo. He ain't a part of the video. We finna show y'all something new. We got this new joint that just came out by Trey Songz, Jeezy, and Lil Wayne. It's called Hail Mary. And the video is featuring none other than my nigga Nubbly. So fuck with it.
DJ ready for real. Let's trigger. What's happening? I got that game. I caught a play. Going long. Do what I say. I got my game face on. I got my game face on. Come on. I got my top in my Rari. In case I see my enemy, I know what's gotten into me. Tonight I'm on this Hennessy. I don't usually do the proud, but tonight is special. Playing raw ski. Be my ginger, yeah, my special. My Tuno is entirely. I call that bitch special A. I don't even know her name. I just call her special A. Nothing get same haters, usual suspect. Heard about another nigga, swear that shit's suspect. I'm so sad, yeah, and I got with the club, head and fresh. In case I die today, Hail Mary, told her it's the world. Ain't got shit to lose, about to go long, celebrate. Like I'm saying, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, hey girl, you know the play. Hail Mary, Hail Mary, tonight we going long. We be going long. Hold up, Hail Mary. I ain't tryna punch, Hail Mary. Tonight we going long. We be going long. Whatever you want, I got it. Got a drop top in my pocket. You poppin', you watch it, keep on poppin', and I'ma drop it. So hard to be alone, and wanna go. Right here at this moment, you the one I want to roll. So you got the ball, baby, you see I'm here. I'ma be the coach, I'ma let you know the plan. What's next? Baby, you and me exit. Get down, I'ma get you naked. Do a little bit of sexy. Touchdown, she let me score. I'ma wanna score. Double low, triple low, baby, I'ma play away. Say the best offense is some good game. Hey girl, I heard you like it. Play your Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Hey girl, you know the play. Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Tonight we going long. We be going long. Hail Mary. I ain't tryna punch, Hail Mary. Tonight we going long. We be going long. Touching this life for Hail Mary for the grace. I don't remember her name, but I remember how her pussy tastes. I know low, so low. She got it way that I put it down. Hatch corn in circles. All you gotta do is look around. I missed the right and she missed the night. Pussy so nice, gotta kiss it twice. Pussy so tight, my tongue is stuck. My tongue is stuck like looking ice. Hoes call me QB. I throw that dick too deep. I told her she's a preacher's wife. She said, practice what you preach. She said, I'll be too horny. He love me long time. I say, how about 69? She say, numbers don't lie. I say, true, you ain't never told no lie. You ain't never told no lie. And you know they say love is blind, so close your eye. Hey girl, you say you like it deep. Hail Mary, Hail Mary.